thanks to the innovation in technology, we are very fortunate for ambulance provided with 5G technologies, and with that we are able to provide services to the patient. Once we get information about the patient needs a transport to the hospital, we immediately send our 5G ambulance to the spot. Maybe it will be more than 100 kilometers also, and this ambulance goes and then loads the patients and connects the patient to virtually to the monitors and ventilator if necessary, and the infusion pumps can be used for giving drugs to maintain the blood pressure and the hemodynamic status. And once the patient lies on the couch, the doctor sitting in his office or the emergency physician sitting in the department virtually look at the patient, because the patient's data is transmitted on real time without any delay, and then the doctor can see the patient's condition, assesses the patient's condition, and helps the paramedical staff to guide the patient care, and also prompt putting up the monitors and infusion of inotropic drugs and administering ventilator care and taking care of the patient. And also we can track the route of the ambulance and then virtually and see when the patient is going to reach us, so that we can be prepared for the best of the patient care in the hospital without any further delay. Because strokes and MI, time is very, very important. Time is tissue. So the patient will be virtually visualized by the doctor sitting in his office, and the care can be continued just like in the emergency department or in the ICU. Similar care can be provided en route to the hospital.
Several doctors from different specialties can join audio-video transmission with their mobile to have a multidisciplinary approach while give their inputs to the nurse or emergency technician while shifting the patient from one hospital to another or from patient's place to the hospital.
And this is the beauty of the 5G ambulance. We are very, very, very happy to have this, and this is a wonderful experience and wonderful way to save lives of the patients to a maximum.